Here's a look at
The
what's coming up
time that's
new
right.
at 8.
The 8 o'clock news on PDX TV.
This station is testing its emergency alerting system.
The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system now being tested is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local...
Crazy about you. I just started to feel like you didn't want to be here with me.
Oh, gosh, nothing could be further from the truth. I'll tell you something else. I'm happy.
I'm glad, Fraser.
A woman who, by all conventional measures,
School of Dolphins?
But the best part was when he taught me how to hypnotize a lobster.
...for life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
DVDs by mail.
Those are magnificent.